In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F56 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit General Management. Now tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and operate all of those options under Smart Typing however you want to. You can tap on switchers next to them or click on the chosen ones and use switchers within. When you're finished with all of those, scroll down a tiny bit to hit more typing options and operate them however you wish to. If you want to manage your smart typing options much faster, scroll down to use this switcher next to Keyboard Toolbar if it's not already on. Launch your keyboard and click on this gear icon at the top of it to open keyboard settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!